Hello everybody, welcome to Gap Languages. In today's video we have another reading. So as usual, what I'm gonna do first, I'm going to read this story. It's a very short interesting story. So then I'll get back and explain everything in English. So before we start today's video, what I want you to do is just hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to study with one of our tutors, you can definitely check our website at www.gaplanguages.com. We also put the trial lessons link down in the description. And for other more details, you can also check our video description. There is everything written. Okay, everybody. So now let's get started. دوست واقعی در قریه کوچک دو دوست به نامهای علی و حسین زندگی میکردن. اونا همیشه با هم بودن و یکدیگر هم مثل برادر دوست داشتن. یک روز علی و حسین تصمیم گرفتن به جنگل برن و هیزم جمع کنن. وقتی به وسط جنگل رسیدن، ناگهان یک خرس بزرگ جلو اونها ظاهر شد. علی سریع به درخت بالا شد و خودش نجات داد. اما حسین نتوانست به درخت بالا شود. حسین به سرعت روی زمین دراز کشید و نفس خود قید کرد. خرس به او نزدیک شد. او را بوی کرد و بعد از مدت خرس اونجا را ترک کرد. علی از بالای درخت پایین آمد و با خنده پرسید: حسین، خرس به تو چی گفت؟ حسین لبخند زد و گفت: خرس گفت دوست واقعی کسی است که در لحظه سختی تو را تنها نگذاره. نتیجه داستان: دوست واقعی در زمانهای سختی و خطر مشخص میشه. Alright everybody, now it is time to break down the key words and phrases into English. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm going to read and then explain everything one by one. Okay, so the title of this lesson is Dost Waqi. Dost is friend, Waqi is real, a real friend. Dost Waqi translates as a real friend. در قریه کوچک دو دوست به نامهای علی و حسین زندگی میکردن. Now here, در قریه کوچک, in a small village, دو دوست, two friends به نامهای named علی و حسین زندگی میکردن. would lived. So زندگی میکردن, they would live. اونا همیشه با هم بودن. They were always together. اونا همیشه با هم بودن. They were always together. و یکدیگر را مثل برادر دوست داشتن. And they loved each other like brothers. یکدیگر را each other مثل is like دو برادر دوست داشتن. They liked each other like brothers. یک روز علی و حسین تصمیم گرفتن. So we talk about the word تصمیم گرفتن before in our one of the videos we earlier made. So تصمیم گرفتن here, it means to decide. تصمیم گرفتن, they decided. به جنگل بروان, to go to a jungle. به جنگل بروان, to go to a jungle. و هیزم جمع کنن, and collect woods. هیزم here, it's like it could be woods or anything like woods from the jungle. وقتی به وسط جنگل رسیدن, when they were, وسط is in the middle, when they were in the middle of a jungle or arrived. رسیدن here, it means arrived. When they arrived in the middle of a jungle, ناگهان یک خرس بزرگ جلو اونها ظاهر شد. Okay, ناگهان means all of a sudden or suddenly. یک خرس بزرگ, a huge bear, جلو اونا. So جلو is like in front of him. ظاهر شد, appeared. A huge bear appeared in front of them. Or I can say, all of a sudden a huge bear appeared in front of them. علی سریع به یک درخت بالا شد. علی in a hurry or fastly. سریع is like fastly or in a hurry. It could be like fastly. سریع به یک درخت بالا شد. He climbed on a tree. و خودش نجات داد. And he saved himself. نجات داد means saved himself. اما حسین نتونست به درخت بالا شود. But Hussein couldn't climb on the tree. بالا شود is like to climb, but he couldn't climb on the tree. حسین به سرعت روی زمین دراز کشید. حسین so he suddenly or he fastly laid on the ground. He laid on the ground. So دراز کشید is like he laid down on the ground و نفس خود قید کرد. And he held his breath. قید کردن is to hold. So it's the past form قید کرد. So he held his breath. خرس به او نزدیک شد. And the bear approached him. We also talk about this word نزدیک شدن. He approached him. او را بوی کرد. And he smelled him. بوی کردن or بو کردن it means to smell. He smelled. The bear smelled him. و بعد از مدت and after some time خرس اونجا را ترک کرد. The bear left that place. علی از بالای درخت پایین آمد. Ali climbed down the tree. و با خنده پرسید. And he laughingly asked, حسین خرس به تو چی گفت؟ What did the bear say to you? حسین لبخند زد و گفت. He smiled he smiled and said خرس گفت. The bear said دوست واقعی کسی است. So the real friend is the one که در لحظه سختی تو را تنها نگذارد. So here he's saying in a moment of hardship or difficulty not leave you. A real friend is somebody who doesn't leave you in the time of hardship or difficulty. Okay, now نتیجه داستان, the moral of the story or the result of the story. So نتیجه is basically it is result, but here it is the moral of the story. دوست واقعی در زمانهای سختی و خطر مشخص میشه. So the real friend is known in times of difficulties, in risky times. So alright everybody, that is the end of the video for today's lesson. Hopefully you like this video.